Subletting a property? Stop scrolling and hit that subscribe button. This could save you money on your next tax return. Are you subletting a property and wonder what expenses you can actually claim on your self-assessment? You're not alone. This is a question I get asked all the time. I'm Lucy from Burton's Academy, here to make self-assessments simple. One of the most common questions I hear is, can I claim the rent I pay to my landlord as an expense if I'm subletting? After confirming with HMRC and a qualified tax specialist, the answer is yes. Your rent is an allowable expense when subletting a property. So if you're preparing your self-assessment and want to make sure you're not leaving money on the table, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe for more practical videos on self-assessments, allowable expenses, and everything in between. Like, share, and drop your questions in the comments. I love to help.